Going back to Deepak,
Dr.
Deepak, in the
Bacha,
sector that you are in,
you're back with
it
us.
has seen some positive changes, some negative impact. What is your outlook for your sector going forward? Find a vaccine. I'm assuming that I hope I'm proved wrong and it happens earlier. Corona goes away and we find a vaccine. But if we take all the estimations of vaccine being available in March, what is the impact you see on your sector?
I think, Anurag, you have already put, things in very right perspective. When we talk about, there are, things like vitamin C, that is cash, and looking at, complementing that, with the social responsibility of where the world is moving, where we guys are moving. And when in the first round of our, opening, when they did, I mentioned about that I am representing one of the lifelines, which is really driving the whole world, and that is digital. So I think there's a sincerity which is actually going beyond just commercial perspective. We may not be the ones who would wait for vaccine to come and to give some boost to us. On the contrary, Vivek, Anurag, you and guys Karan and Amit, you should expect from us that what we guys can do by that time until we are not ready with the vaccine, and then it will take 6 more months to actually bringing things back to the way we all are expecting. So I think that is what the sun side of K, what Anurag has mentioned, that when we look at that, how it is taking the economy and the business transactions up, I think that's a sunny side, where my sector is really going well, including all the areas. If you look at how in 90s or in mid 2000s, IT played a vital role in enabling services. I think now we are getting into that era where it will be like digital enabled services. And more it will happen, the impact you would see will be fervent to all the different sectors. So, as Amit said about, fantasy sports, I think we guys are on a mission, in bringing people out of their fantasies these days. That, where now they have to go with a separate set of PPT, which is where the very first P is more about people. That is how people are more skilled, how they're going for upskilling, how they're going for reskilling, and how they're tuning themselves with the emerging new age economy. Second P, process. Now that process is somewhere getting more digitally enabled in terms of transformation, in terms of what IoT ecosystem, and Anurag, you also,
and the chief transformation officer is COVID. Sadly, none of us
right.
done enough acceleration in terms of digital enablement. COVID has forced us to be digital.
Actually, Anurag, you're absolutely right. It has brought these terms out of their jargon zoned area. So it is no longer about just digital transformation or Internet of Things or apps environment. Now we are reckoning it that these are actually impacting us to still keep economy going. Still, see, we guys are able to do this great discussion because of the digital enablement around. So I think that process will be now driving till the time we are waiting for vaccination to come. Then comes the last part of tech, PPT, tech enablement. Now, if that tech enablement is going beyond just in with nice to have factors,